Hello, my dear pharmacists. This is Professor Komal. In this video, we'll see the mnemonics for the congestive heart failure, which comes under the your drug inspector 2025 syllabus. Okay, we'll see the mnemonics for the CHF, congestive heart failure. It is the condition where pump is unable to the heart is unable to the pumping sufficient amount of the blood, so there is the pain or heart failure chances. So we'll see the classification for the congestive heart failure. There are main 6 types. For the 6 type, the trick is IMABD virus. Main types: the first, I for ionotropic drugs, then M for angiotensin inhibitors, A for aldosterone antagonists, B for beta blockers, D for diuretics, and last virus for vasodilator. This is the main 6 type for the congestive heart failure. Okay, IMABD virus: ionotropic drugs, angiotensin, aldosterone, beta adrenergic blockers, diuretics, and vasodilators. Now we'll see the trick for the subtypes. Okay, so in some main class class of drugs which is divided into subclass. Okay, for the subclass, the trick is CS class. CS means कॉलेजमध्ये आपण माहिती आहे आपल्याला की CS केला जातो. ओके, CSPD अगर AC हाई स्पीड पे चलाते थे तो वेंटिलेशन होती. ओके, आता ही ट्रिक कशी आपण अप्लाय करणार. फॉर द आयोनोट्रॉपिक ड्रग्स विच इज डिवाइडेड इंटू 3 टाइप्स. फर्स्ट, CSPD which is comes under the ionotropic drug. C for cardiac glycoside, S for sympathomimetic, and PD for PDE3 inhibitors. Okay, AC high speed in angiotensin inhibitors, there is a trick agar for angiotensin 80 receptors, and AC for ACE inhibitors. Okay, the next one is the for diuretics, which is again divided into 2 parts. First is the high selling diuretics. अगर high for high selling diuretics, हाई स्पीड में चलाते थे फॉर thiazide diuretics. Last is the ventilation. Vasodilators again divided into 2 parts, which is related to the ventilation. Okay, venodilator. First is the venodilator and second one is the arteriolar venodilators. Now we'll see the example. The first, ionotropic drugs, which comes on classified into 3 types. First is the cardiac glycoside. Cardiac glycosides examples are digoxin and cobain. Then sympathomimetic drugs examples are dobutamine and dopamine. Third is the PDE3 inhibitors, example is enamine, and second one is the milrinone. The next second class is the angiotensin inhibitors, divided into 2 parts. First is the angiotensin 81 receptor blockers, and second is the ACE inhibitor. Angiotensin 81 receptor blockers example is losartan, and second is the candesartan. ACE inhibitors examples are enalapril, and second is the ramipril. Then aldosterone antagonist examples are spironolactone and eplerenone. Beta blockers example are metoprolol, bisoprolol, nebivolol, and carvedilol. Then diuretic divided into 2 parts, high selling diuretic and thiazide diuretic. For high selling diuretic, example is furosemide and bumetanide. For the thiazide diuretics, the example is hydrochlorothiazide, metolazone, and zipamide. Last class is the vasodilator. First is the venodilators, example is glyceryl trinitrate, and second is the isosorbide dinitrate. And for second arteriolar ventilation, the example is sodium nitroprusside. Okay, this is the trick for the congestive heart failure. Thank you.